Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Discord stuck on black or gray screen. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, having this issue is quite annoying, so what are the things that you can do here? So in this case, one of them is to make sure that Discord is actually fully closed. Now sometimes when you see a puppet in here, you could go ahead and choose Control-Shift-Escape so that you should be able to see your task manager. Now in this case, look for Discord, click on it, and you want to click on End Task. Once you've done that, restart your PC, and in this case, that would actually hopefully fix the issues. Now, again, this is not the only solution that you could actually do here. So if that of the first method does not work, what you could do here is actually access your app data. So in this case, go ahead and close your task manager here. You want to go to, or in this case, go ahead and open or get your keyboard, press on the Windows and R key together, and you should be able to see the Run app here. Also, alternatively, you could go to the search bar at the bottom left here, just type in Run. You should be able to see the same thing here. Now from here, under the Run app, we want to type in the following, which is %appdata%, and just click on OK. Now in here, what you need to do is you need to look for Discord. Just scroll down a bit until you see Discord here. So what we need to do to Discord folder here, you just need to right click on it and you want to delete it. Not only delete this if you're having problems with your Discord app. But once you've deleted that, you go and open up Discord again and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.